Hello everyone, this is Ricardo Ledesma and this is my video for the enhancement 4 this week. This week we will work with product management, and I will make the demonstration of my product management page to add the new category and then to add a new product to this category that I added. So first, this is my NetBeans. I have here my product folder. I have an index.php file where I can run it, and if I run it, it will open my product management page. So let's run it. Okay, here's my product management page. Here I have two options. I can add a new category and I can add a new product. If I add a new category, it's supposed to appear here in the menu. So let's do it. Okay, here I have my new category page. If I click here and give no value, it will send me a message. The message is, please provide information for all empty forms field, which means that I didn't set anything here. I will create a new category which name is sports. Okay, sports, and then add it. Okay, if I add it correctly, I go to the new product. You see here that in the menu appears the new category. If I go to my PHP database, my SQL database, I can go to category and see that there's a new category here, and it's also added here. Okay, so now I will add a new product to this category, sports. If I have here my form to complete all requirements, if I click here without give any value, it will send me the same error or the same message that we receive when we try to add a new category without any value. And then I'm gonna give values to this. So select sports, baseball. Let's set the baseball card. Baseball card. Okay, let's set that this is a card. And the price is $10. Stocks is 8. Side is 1. 8 is 1. Product location is Santo Domingo, where I live. Vendor is Ricardo Ledesma, which is I am, and fabric is the style or enter fabric. Okay, so let's click submit and give us a message which said that we successfully add this product to the inventory. If I go to the database and go to the inventory table, I can figure out at the end my new product, which is baseball card, and with all the specification I gave. So that means that I add successfully this product. Okay, so that's it. Now I will validate all my code. Let's start first with the CSS code. Okay, there's no error here, which is a good sign. Let's validate the HTML code. Okay, it says no error, which is good. Now let's go to the new category, to the new category page, and let's do the same. Let's validate the CSS, which is right, and the HTML, which is right as well. Okay, so the last, let's go to the product management and do the same thing. Okay, and HTML. Okay, so everything is good. There's no error. The code is well. Everything works good. If I go here, you see there's my home page, and we have the category here. So that's it for my video this week. Thank you.